The Cleveland Cavaliers have won 6 games in a row today. LeBron James and company taking their road show to New Jersey, and in New Jersey, the Nets operating early. Devin Harris up top to Brook Lopez, combining on the alley-oop. The Nets in front by 5 later in the first when Chris Douglas Roberts gets the reverse jam off the dish from Lopez. Nets up 18-11. How about LeBron James just crushing this one right through the lane? Sweet dish from Anderson Varejao, who's been a spark plug off the bench of late. Coming into the game, he led the league in plus-minus ratio inside second quarter. Tony Batti's only bucket of the game was a jam. That extended the lead to 9. Cavs coming back behind the nimble Shaquille O'Neal. The New Jersey native gets the layup and the foul, then it's LeBron James. Gymnastic to the hole. He gets his own rebound and lays it in. He had 9 boards on the day. Misses that layup, but inside, Varejao with the steal, laying it in, and the Cavs have come back to take the lead 39-37 in the second quarter. 39 all later when James cutting out and makes the acrobatic reverse layup. He had 28 points on the game. We move to the third quarter. Cleveland playing a little defense. That's J.J. Hickson on the block later in the third. How about LeBron going up to the top of the square to get this one from Chris Douglas Roberts? The Cavs defense leading them to a 5-point lead. They're up by 6. Later in the third, Mo Williams pulling on a nice-looking jump shot. He had 18 on the day. Still tight in the third quarter. Lopez inside. Nice dish to Chris Douglas Roberts. Those two hooking up nicely on the day. It's a 7-point advantage later when Roberts goes to the rack. But LeBron James had 2 blocks on the day. You've seen both of them. Fourth quarter now. Cavaliers up by 8. It's Roberts once again. Athletic cuts the lead down to 6 with over 6 to go in the game. The lead is 4 later when Daniel Gibson finds James on the power flush. Cleveland starting to pull away with less than 2 to go. Sweet dish. LeBron to Varejao, and he gets the hoop and harm. Cleveland goes on to win this one by 8, 94-86. Their 7th straight victory. The Nets drop to 3-30 on the season.